You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this city in Denmark. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of famous cities and other Danish vocabulary, stay tuned. Danish pronunciation sounds somewhat as Aalborg. Aalborg. You could say it in English. It's generally pronounced as Aalborg, although it should be said more as Aalborg. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.